Hello friends, today we are going to study the experiment NAND and NOR gate as universal gate. But before performing the experiment, let us discuss the theory of the experiment. Why NAND and NOR gate are called as universal gate. But first question arises, what are logic gates? So logic gate is an electronic circuit which is capable of making logical decision. Logic gate can have one output, but it can have more than one inputs, and the output appears only for the certain combination of the input signal. Logic gates are the basic building blocks of any digital system. Most digital systems are made from the logic gates, and logic gates, they implement the hardware logic function which is based on logical algebra, which is developed by George Boole and in his honor, which is known as Boolean algebra. The characteristics of Boolean algebra is that the variables in Boolean algebra can assume only two values, either 1 or either 0. Now friends, we are familiar with the three basic gates, that is AND, OR and NOT. So these three basic gates can be used in combination, and any digital circuit can be built with any Boolean expression or any Boolean value can be constructed by using the combination of these three gates. But one drawback of these three gates is that individually they can't make any digital circuit. Means if you can't construct a digital circuit by using only AND gate. You can't construct a logical circuit or Boolean expression or a digital circuit by using only OR gate. Similarly, only NOT gate. Means you have to use them in combination. But this is not the case with NAND and NOR gate. So you can individually use NAND gate to create a digital circuit. You can create any logical expression or Boolean expression with the NAND or NOR gates. For making a digital circuit with NAND and NOR gates, you don't require AND or NOT gate, because these gates can be made by using the combination of NAND gate only or NOR gate only. That's why NAND and NOR gate are known as universal gates. A universal gate is a gate which can implement any Boolean function without the need of any other gate. So by using NOR gates and its combination or NAND gate and its combination, we can make OR and NOT, XOR, XNOR, all the gates. So that's why NAND gate and NOR gates are known as universal gates. Now let us discuss what is NAND gate. So NAND gate is not an AND gate. So simply if you put a NOT gate at the output of AND gate, you will get a NAND gate, which is symbolically represented by putting a small circle at the back of AND gate. So this is NAND gate. The output of NAND gate is given by the formula A dot B, or may multiplied by B, where A and B are the inputs of the NAND gate. The truth table for NAND gate is shown in figure. So as you can see, it is reverse of the AND gate. The output will be high except when both the inputs are high. Means for 0, 0 you will get output. For 0 or 1 you will get output. If A is 0, B, so if A and B both are 0, you will get the output. If A is 0, B is 1, you will get the output. If A is 1, B is 0, you will get the output. If both A and B are 1, 1, you will not get any output. See something about NOR gate. So NOR gate is simply a NOT OR gate. So if you simply connect a NOT gate behind the OR gate, you will get a NOR gate. Symbolically it is represented by putting a small circle behind the OR gate. So it's a NOR gate. The output of the NOR gate is given by the expression is A plus B bar. So it is simply the implement or invert of the OR gate. The truth table for NOR gate is shown in the figure. So if both A and B are 0, so you will get the output only. If A is 0, B is 1, you will not get any output, that is 0. If A is 0, B is 1, output is still 0. And if both A and B are 0, output is 0. Let us discuss how NOT gate can be made by using NAND gate. So to make NAND gate as a NOT gate, you have to connect both its terminal. So at the input you are giving only one output, that is A, and out the output you will get the implement of that, that is A bar. Second, how NAND gate can be used as a AND gate. So a NAND gate produces a complement of a AND gate. So if you simply put a NOT gate, that is the NAND gate as a NOT gate behind the NAND gate, then negation of both will give you a positive logic. So for that, so the output of first NAND gate will be A dot B bar, and if it is connected to the another NAND gate as a NOT gate, so output will be complement of that. So A dot B bar, and again a bar of that will be A dot B, which is the output of AND gate. How to make OR gate by using NAND gate? So you will require 3 NAND gate. The first 2 NAND gate are whose output inputs are combined together, so they will act as a NOT gate, and these 2 NOT gates are connected to the input of third NAND gate. So now the input of the first NAND gate, which is NOT gate, will be A, and the input of another second NAND gate whose both ends are combined will be B. Then at the output you will get A bar B bar. This A bar B bar will be fed to the third NAND gate. So output will be, to make NAND gate as a OR gate, we will require De Morgan's theorem, which tells us that A dot B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar, and A bar dot D bar whole bar is equal to A double bar plus B double bar. So that will be equal to A plus B, which is the output of OR gate. Now again, how NOR gate act as a universal gate. So to make NOR gate as a NOT gate, again you have to connect both its input terminal together. So by connecting the input terminal together, at the input is A bar and output will be reverse implement of that, that is A bar. So that is a NOT gate. Then how the NOR gate can be made as a OR gate? So a NOR gate produces complement of the OR gate. So if you simply connect another NOR gate, which is NOT gate, beyond the first NOR gate, then you will get the OR gate. So at the first NOR gate you are giving both the inputs A, B. So at the output you are getting A plus B bar, which is fed to the NOT gate. So at the output you will get A plus B, which is the output of OR gate. Now to study NOR gate as an AND gate, you will require again De Morgan's theorem, which tells you that A plus B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar is equal to A double bar dot B double bar, which is equal to AB, which is the output of AND gate. Now let us actually perform the experiment. This is universal gate trainer kit. Here how the NOT gate can be made using NAND gate is shown. In this circuit diagram second, how AND gate can be made using 2 NAND gates is shown, and here how OR gate can be made by using 3 NAND gates is shown. On the right hand side, how NOT gate can be constructed by using NOR gate, how OR gate can be made by using 2 NOR gate, how AND gate can be made by using 3 NOR gate. So let us discuss one by one. First we will discuss NAND gate as a universal gate. So let us first discuss how NAND gate can be used as a NOT gate. So to make NAND gate as a NOT gate, let us connect both of its terminal, because NOT gate have only one input, and let us connect the combined input to the input section, and let us connect the output to the output section. So recall the truth table for NOT gate. So NOT gate simply complements the input, whatever input you give. So when the input is 0, at the output you will get 1, and when the input is 1, at the output you will get 0. So in this way NAND gate can act as a NOT gate. Now let us remove the connection and let us study how NAND gate can be used as a AND gate. So we will require 2 NAND gates. So let us connect the input terminal A of first NAND gate to the input section. Let us connect the second input terminal, that is B, of the first NAND gate to the input section, and let us connect the output of first NAND gate to the input of second NAND gate and final output of the combined NAND gates to the input section. Now recall the truth table for AND gate. So for AND gate the output is 1 only if all the inputs are 1. So let us verify the truth table. So when both the inputs A and B are 0, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is again 0. When A is 0, B is 1, output is still 0. But when both A and B are 1, 1, output is 0. Now let us study NAND gate as an OR gate. For this we will require 3 NAND gates. 2 NAND gates, their inputs are connected together, so they will simply work as a NOT gate. So these two are NAND gate as a NOT gate, and these two NAND gate as a NOT gate are connected to the input of the third NAND gate. So the input of first NAND gate is connected to the input of input section. Input of second NAND gate is connected to the input of input section. Then the output of first NAND gate is connected to the input of third NAND gate, and output B dash of the second NAND gate is connected to the input of the third NAND gate. So at the output, let us connect the output to the output section. Now let us verify the truth table for OR table. So for OR table we know that every output is 1 if any of the input is high. So when A is 1, say A, B both are 0, 0, output is 0. When A is 1, B is 0, output is 1. When A is 0, B is 1, output is still 1. And when both A and B are 1, 1, output is 1. Now let us perform the second part of this experiment, that is NOR gate as a universal gate. For this, first let us see NOR gate as a NOT gate. For making NOR gate as a NOT gate, we have to connect both its terminal, because NOT gate has only one terminal which is connected. Let us connect this to the input section and let us connect the output to the output section. Now let us verify the truth table. So for NOT gate, if input is 1, output is 0. If input is 0, output is 1. Now let us remove the connection. Let us make OR gate using a NOR gate. So NOR gate, if you want to make OR gate by using NOR gate, you have to simply remove this N. So at the output of first NOR gate, you simply have to connect another NOR gate which will act as a NOT gate. So negation, we will get a positive logic, and at the output you will get OR gate. So for this, input A of the first NOR gate is connected to the input section. Input B of the first NOR gate is connected to the input section. Then output A plus B bar or A plus B bar is connected to the input of second NOR gate, which act as a OR gate, NOT gate, and final output is connected to the output section. Now recall the truth table for OR gate. So for OR, if the output is high, if all the inputs are, if any of the input is high. So A, B 0, output is 0. When A1, B0, output is 1. When A0, B1, output is still 1. And when both are 1, 1, output is 1. Now let us remove the connection and let us study, or let us make AND gate using NOR gate. So for this, we will require 3 NOR gates, out of which the first 2 NOR gate are NOT gate because both are their terminals are connected, and the third NOT gate has both terminals open. So let us connect the input of first NOR gate to the input section, then the input B of the second NOR gate to the input section, and the output of first NOR gate to the input of third NOR gate, output of let us use another pin, output of second NOR gate to the input of third NOR gate, and the final output will be fed to the any key in the output section. Now recall the truth table for AND gate. So AND output is high if both the inputs are high. So A0, B0 output will be 0. A1, B0 output is still 0. A0, B1 output is still 0. But when both A and B are 1, output is glowing, that is 1. Thank you for watching this video.